Welcome to this video on the invisible infrastructure, engineering safety and excellence in residential wiring. Our focus is on the best practices for safe, reliable, and modern electrical systems in homes. Electrical excellence rests on a triad: safety, ensuring protection from shock and fire hazards; efficiency, optimizing energy flow for modern appliances; and future-proofing, designing today for tomorrow's loads. The blueprint is the brain of the operation. This involves strategic layout, determining power density in high-demand zones, and using ergonomics to predetermine exact locations for switches and heavy appliances. Circuit segmentation is crucial for load management. The golden rule is to separate lighting circuits from power circuits. Dedicated pathways are required for heavy loads to prevent system-wide overloading and isolate faults. Concealed conduit wiring acts as a protective shield. Utilizing PVC or metal conduits protects wires from physical damage, moisture ingress, and external fire sources. Ensure installation rigor by properly fixing conduits and avoiding sharp bends. Choosing quality is essential. Always use certified cables for safety and fire resistance. The cables must be rated to resist combustion. Incorporate durable, modular switches for a safe user interface. Connectivity and ergonomics matter. Never leave connections exposed, and always contain splices within junction boxes. For optimal accessibility, standardize switchboard placement, such as at 1.5 meters from the floor. MCBs are the defense against current overloads, while RCCBs or ELCBs provide critical defense against electric shocks. These guardians monitor flow and instantly trip the system upon detecting a fault, ensuring safety. Grounding is the silent safety net. Proper earthing is mandatory for all circuits. The 3-pin standard is essential, with the third pin connecting directly to the earth to provide a safe path for fault current, preventing electrocution. To future-proof the install, apply the 1-foot rule. Leave at least 1 foot of extra wire at each connection. This service loop accommodates future adjustments, repairs, or device changes without needing to rewire the wall. Avoid cutting wires too short. The pathology of failure includes using undersized wires, leaving exposed connections, mixing lighting and power circuits, and cutting wires too short. These shortcuts compromise safety and system integrity. We must trust, but verify. The mandate is to test all connections before sealing conduits. Use a multimeter or test lamp to confirm circuit continuity and insulation integrity while the wires are still accessible. Electrical work requires expert execution, complex code compliance, and technical skill. Always consult with a licensed professional to ensure safety and adherence to local codes. The professional executes the plan. The Excellence Checklist includes a detailed layout, concealed conduits, segmented circuits, MCBs and RCCBs installed, fire-resistant materials, proper earthing, and final verification by a licensed professional. Excellence is invisible. When the wiring is done right, you don't see it. You simply live in a home that is safe, efficient, and ready for the future. Thank you for watching this video.